Now, how to manufacture a motor but without making a motor. Put very simple. Get up. Now you see, this is subwoofer, and as you can see, very nice sound, but all you have to do is give it some sine wave signals and it works just like internal combustion until you over rev it, then it doesn't do anything. But it really does sound like a V8 engine. At exactly 32 Hertz for some reason. So at higher volumes, only 20 to 30 Hertz. And 32 indeed seems to be the resonant frequency for this whole setup, hilariously. 32 Hertz. How to manufacture a internal combustion engine without making one. Not bad.